Aloha, beautiful souls. Welcome back. Happy, miraculous, Metaphysical Monday. Okay, so sit in a comfortable seated position with a tall spine. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, relaxing your belly and letting it expand like a big balloon. Pause. Exhale audibly through your mouth for twice as long. Try to focus on your third eye right here. Another deep breath in. Pause. Exhale. Letting your shoulders drop, all your thoughts dissolve from your mind. One more time. Deep breath in. And come into your center of peace, your center of serenity, the neutral point, the 0 point, the void, the shunya light, where all possibilities and all creation exists in a potential. Your center where there is nothing but life ready to be molded into your next creation, your next dream of your heart. Where all is well. All is neutral. There is no more duality. There is no more polarity. There's no more pull and push, drama. There's just peace, perfection, and beautiful light. The light that you are. You are that beauty and that light and that grace that you can access within your own being. It's there for you and it's who you are. Okay, I don't want to leave this space, but I'm going to open my eyes. Okay, hi, aloha. So I just taught you a very powerful breathing technique, and I call it parasympathetic breathing. It only takes but a minute. And the reason why this is so important is because when you go into the sympathetic nervous system, your body heals itself. Your body, your sacred temple to your soul, does what it is designed to do, restore and heal itself. So as you inhale, I want you to relax your stomach muscles and expand your belly like this big happy Buddha. I want you to think of him, right? So we're so trained in the Western world to like tighten our abs and have this tight six pack and ooh, strong tight abs. But for this, I want you to be like the happy Buddha, right? And just relax your muscles and like breathe and expand your diaphragm in your belly. Just deep breath in. And then as you exhale, you can slightly contract if you want the stomach muscles, but just breathe it all out audibly like a slow leak in a tire. And that pattern of breathing, like I said, activates parasympathetic nervous system where you heal it yourself. On one level, that's what it does physically, but spiritually and energetically, for me, it helps me to really like release my mind chatter and quiet my mind chatter and release my mind chatter and drop into my heart center, right? Because this is like quiet. And then I come here, my higher heart and my etheric heart, not the physical heart, the etheric heart. And it helps me to drop into that space. And in that space, that will go in another video, I'll explain that a little bit more, but that's where the gold lies. Yeah, the jewel. So if you breathe the opposite way, so as you inhale, you're pulling in your abdominal muscles, and as you exhale, you're letting it go, what you're doing is you're activating the sympathetic nervous system, which you need at times, but that's fight or flight. So when I studied Qigong, we learned how to breathe this way. My teacher called it the breath of fire. So as we inhaled, we hold it in. As we exhaled, we push it out. So, and that's great for getting more energy, activating the adrenaline. I mean, it's really powerful breathing, but the problem lies in if you're doing that without consciously being aware of it all day long, if that's how you're living your life, by breathing that way, you're constantly in that state of fight or flight without even being aware. You're constantly sending from your brain signals, danger, danger, send out the adrenaline, send out the cortisol, and then cascade of other chemicals, and it eventually goes through your body and it causes some effects that you probably don't really want. So it's good to just be aware of how you're breathing. This is like basic 101, probably the most important video that I can share with you as far as how to start change, or how to start just becoming more aware, more mindful. Start with your breath. Start with noticing during the course of your day how you're breathing, or if you're breathing at all. Sometimes we're barely breathing, or when we're really stressed out, we have a lot on our plate or a lot of anxiety, we don't really breathe. There's like, got to get through the day. It's like, okay, do this next, that next. It's like almost become like robotic. We're not like fully alive in our energy of being this human spiritual being. So 2 very important things to be aware of as you go through your day. Check in, take that time to just check in, say, hey, how am I breathing? If you catch yourself like, wow, I really am, I'm like tightening my stomach while I'm breathing, like, just relax. You can shift and change the habit, and that's all it is. So we live like pretty much most of our life by our habits, and that's our subconscious programming. And so when you start to want to make a real and lasting change in your life, the first thing is that you have to be in the present moment, and you have to live in your conscious mind, not the subconscious, which means you have to be present. You have to be here and now. You can't be thinking about a million other things here and there. Your mind is all split here, there. I got to do this, that, the other. That's scatterbrain. You have to be in the moment and check in. What's going on? Am I breathing? How am I breathing? Okay, let me change that. Right? And that's all it takes. So just wanted to share that little tidbit with you of guidance, but it's so, so, so important. And trust me, there are times in my life where I've been stressed out and I'm driving my car and I check in, I'm like, I'm not even breathing now. Like, I really notice it's like, whoa. And then where does it happens? Like, my neck hurts, my shoulders hurt, everything hurts. So you can start to begin to make some changes in your life on all different levels: physically, energetically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, by just shifting your breath. So thank you for tuning in. And we'll do one more together before I sign off. Deep breath in. Be that happy little Buddha. Fill up your cup. And slow, audible breath out. Let all your tension, all your worry just release from your body, mind, your heart, and your soul. Just feel this beautiful heart light, this beautiful heart energy within your own being. The soul fire in me, I give to you. Aho. To learn more about my offerings, visit my website at igniteyoursoulfire.com. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below, my soul family. Thank you for being here on our precious planet Gaia at this time. Your light matters. You matter. You make a difference in the world by just being you. Ahuiho. Until our hearts meet again. You are loved.